Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's EKB TV. You're watching the Vintage Cigar. And I know I don't do many recorded videos very often anymore. I hope the sound quality and the lighting is okay. It's kind of not the original setup. But I have a special video today. I'm really not big into doing the unboxings and things like that anymore. It's really a cool thing that people are doing unboxings and bombs and all that kind of stuff, but it's really not my thing. However, However, this one I think is going to be a little bit special, and here's why. It's because this one came from Cigar Hound Dog, and it came from Sanj Patel. I was actually waiting on this box. I'm really excited to get this particular box because I have no idea what's going to be inside. It's a surprise at any time if it comes from Cigar Hound Dog. You never know what you're going to get, but then you put Sanj Patel on top of that, and with this dude, you have no idea what you're going to get. So I want to give a big shout out to my homies, Matt at Cigar Hound Dog and Sanj Patel from Sanj Patel. Look, I'm not going to waste a lot of time. I'm not going to hold you guys up. I'm going to try to be quick about this as far as just getting into the details. So let's cut this box open and get inside. I have absolutely no clue what's going to happen in here. I didn't look into the box. I didn't do a pre-open. I didn't do anything of the sort. So I'm just kind of winging this, and we're going on an adventure together. Let me put this knife down so I don't cut myself. And let's see what we got. Here it is. It's the box that it came in. You gotta love Matt because he always makes sure everything is secure. And Sanj has been saying for a while that he was gonna send something out to me, man. I gotta appreciate the dude. He's such a generous dude. It's nothing else to it other than the fact that he knows how much we love cigars. He's a cigar nerd. We're cigar nerds, and he really looks out. So I know this is gonna be extremely fun. To be honest with you, what I really want are some Cameroons. Like I can't even be like joking with you guys. Like I'm really excited about that. Oh, okay. I got something that I'm really excited about. You guys have been following the live streams lately, or I mean, just from the Vintage Cigar, or if you've been following the live streams from the infamous Smoke Show, formerly the New Wave. I really dig that. I've really been talking a lot about Jamon and Definition Cigars. One, this is one of the most beautiful bands that is out there, and if I remember correct, this is the Noir. I don't have them all memorized off the top of the head, but feel free to go to Definition Cigars and check it out to see exactly which cigar this is. I cannot wait to smoke this. This is one I'm extremely excited about. I love the bands on this one, and I love the fact that he's gonna have to change these bands just because the cost is gonna affect the cigars, and he feels like the cigar is more important than having a fashionable band. I think that's the coolest thing. I don't care what kind of band he puts on it, long as there's a band on it. And it's really gonna be a cigar that, you know, lives up to the quality that Definition Cigars is known for. So I'm excited to get that. I'm gonna put these back on the computer just while. You guys saw, like in my top reviews, the last top 10 that I did the Angel Cuesta, and I love this cigar. This is a fantastic and flavorful cigar. So if you guys get a chance, go out and try that. Put that in your smoking experience. We have the Factory Press 4, I think. I'm not really good at Roman numerals, and that's not gonna focus because this camera is trash. But we got La Flor Dominicana, and I know Flor Dominicana has a nice reputation, but I feel like they are underrated as far as, I'm gonna keep that up. As far as, you know, just the quality of their cigars, I don't think they get talked about enough. Really, it could be a lot more. They need to be in the conversation with the Padrones, with the Fuentes, and so on and so forth. And I don't have any paperwork in here, but I believe this one came from Sanj as well. I think this is one from his basement that has been aging for a long time. Go to Cigar Hound Dog's channel and take a look at that, because he'll give you all the details on how long this was aged, but whew, I'm excited to get that cigar. I know this one right here came from Cigar Hound Dog for sure. This is the Master Blend 3. I haven't had this cigar in such a long time, and it is a highly underrated cigar. I really like Oliva, but I'm not like the hugest Oliva fan, but I do appreciate their cigars. And this is one that just has a nice complex blend. And it kind of got pushed to the wayside because it got moved to a lot of those just like magazine sites where you could just get whatever on a discount, and they just got treated like a whatever cigar. It's a sleeper. This is definitely a sleeper, and I can't wait to play along with that. We have the El Pulpo. El Pulpo. You got to say this with the accent now. Like, you can't just say El Pulpo cigars on this one. It's no way. This is an AJ Fernandez San Andres. Cigar Hound Dog gave this a glaring review. And I can't wait to try this out for myself. I won't be reviewing it. Sorry, guys. I just not going to be doing that. But I do want to try this out for myself. And this is a cigar that is really building a really nice reputation. And that's kind of cool. And I can't wait to try it and see what my palate thinks about it. Another cigar right now that is getting a lot of love is the TAA exclusive Alma del Fuego from Plasencia. And this cigar, I've only had it, honestly, a few times. I have quite a few in the humidor right across the way from me right there. And I think I have this particular Vitola, but honestly, I'm not 100% sure. And for whatever reason, I've been so into the classic Alma Fuerte and the Alma del Campo that I really haven't really messed with the Alma del Fuego that much. And that's something I got to change. And you really kind of got to pay attention to the cigars that you're smoking, what you're in, really investing your time in, and what you're trying out. And I've been getting nothing but good reviews for this particular cigar. So I can't wait to actually try it out for myself. So, especially now that I think I have multiple. Let's see. We have the Lido Gomez. I think I got a couple of these floating around. That is a beautiful looking Vitola. And I don't smoke enough of these, so I really don't have a lot to say about it. I've heard good things about the Lido Gomez, so I can't wait to try that. I'm wondering if this is a cigar that has a ton of age. I don't know if this came from Cigar Hound Dog. Maybe he'll be able to say in the comments, or if this came from Sanj. I have no idea, but I'm excited about that. And I think the rest of the cigars in... Whoa. Let me not get out of pocket. We have a McAuliffe. I don't smoke a lot of the McAuliffes, and I think this is the black. Let me read that really fast for you. Black Toro, yeah, and this is the 6x52. I've heard good things about this particular cigar. This is not a brand that I have in my humidor. I don't think I've actually had a McAuliffe. I don't think so. It's kind of hard going through the mental Rolodex. Excuse me, but again, I've heard good things about that cigar. This is a cigar you guys know I absolutely love. It is the Chinchale. For the floral notes, this is one of the best. If you guys want to take some time and go back to my review on the top 10 floral cigars, this cigar is definitely up there, and it is wonderful. One of the most underrated cigars that is out there in the market system right now. And what else we got? I think we got another, dropping cigars. We have another, sorry if I'm not in the camera angle when I'm doing that. We have another Master Blend 3. This is in a box press profile here. This looks like it may be a Toro or something a little different. I don't know exactly. I'm not sure. Whatever. It does not matter because it's going to smoke well, and I can't wait to try it. And I think the rest here are just a bunch of cigars from Sanj Patel. We got some blacks, we got some reds. Looks like we got some Cameroons, and looks like a ton of Cameroons. Looks like we got some Lanceros in here, and some Connecticut's. And I'm guessing on all of these because they don't have a band. Sanj, put a band on these, man. I love you to death, brother. Please put a band on these cigars because I hate grabbing Cameroon and then it's actually a Habano, and I hate grabbing a Habano and it's actually no, I don't really hate when it's a Cameroon. I'm gonna be happy regardless every time I get that. Anyway, that is going to be the unboxing, guys. This is the bomb that I just received here from the homies. Speaking of unboxings, go check out John at Cigar Alchemist. He just recently released unboxing, and the dude just does a great job on his channel, man. He's just such a down-to-earth dude. That's the homie, so I always give him a shout out just because he's good people, and I want people to support his channel, help it continue to grow, because he really should have thousands of subscribers right now. So go watch, go like, go subscribe, go give the man a comment, do the whole nine. Go check out Matt at Cigar Hound Dog. He's constantly putting out content. You cannot lose with that. Go check out Sanj Patel, just because he's a great dude who makes great cigars at a most affordable price. And this is why I did this unboxing, because these are the homies. These are the guys that I really appreciate. And I'm just happy to get some more camera rooms. This is like having, just some OG cigars. It's really cool. But I'm humble and I'm grateful. And thank you guys for watching the channel. I have no idea what this episode is going to do, because nobody's looking for me to really drop any videos other than my lives right now. So it's a surprise. Hope you guys like it. Hope you watch. It's been a cigar. You guys stay up, keep smoking, and have a great life. I'll catch you guys whenever. Peace.